Hi, I'm Masha Bennett. Today I'd like to guide you through a nice, simple visualization, which is really good for calming down the over busy mind and can also be really helpful for sleeping if you struggle to fall asleep with too many thoughts in your head. This can be really helpful. So you may want to close your eyes for this visualization, or if you don't, just lower your gaze so that the video itself doesn't distract you. And I will talk you through this briefly. So this visualization is called Flowers in the River, and I borrowed it from a book by Gerald Epstein. It's a lovely book on healing visualizations. This is one of my favorites. So imagine that it's a beautiful, warm summer's day, and you're sitting on the bank of a clear, swiftly flowing river, and it's a beautiful grassy bank, and it's covered with hundreds of gorgeous flowers. So the sun is shining, you may be noticing that warmth on your skin, maybe a gentle breeze, feeling the earth underneath you, the grass beneath your feet, maybe touching the grass with your hands, smelling the fragrance of the flowers. And I'd like you to pick one flower in your imagination and hold it in your hand and feel the weight of it and the texture in your hand and smell its fragrance. Now, I'd like you to take the next preoccupying thought from your mind, whatever thought that is right now. Take it out of your mind in whatever way that may work for you. So, for example, I imagine picking the thought from the top of my head with my fingers. So take that thought from your mind and place it inside the flower in whichever way that works for you. So now with the thought inside the flower, take the flower to the edge of the river, place it in the water, and see and hear it being carried away downstream. Now, pick the next flower. Take the next thought that's in your mind right now. Place that thought inside the flower. Put the flower into the water and see and hear it being carried away. Now take the next thought, place it into another flower, and let it just be carried away gently downstream. And if there are any thoughts that are particularly important to you, or you think that they're useful, you can always have them back. They're not disappearing forever, but just for the moment, just allow each of those thoughts, gently picking them out from your mind one at a time, placing them into the flower one by one, and allowing those thoughts to be carried away with the flowers. And you can continue this until you feel your mind is sufficiently calm and quiet, or until you fall asleep if you're doing this in bed before bedtime. So give this a go and let me know how you get on. Maybe comment below this video and tell me how you liked it. Take care and goodbye.